Welcome everyone. Today's lesson is for Free Fallin by Tompetty. Now let's get right into it. So it's got a lot of basic chords, and I'll just show you the little things that I do differently to try to put in the different parts. So we're going to start with a D chord. Regular D chord. I'll go through the chords briefly, just because they're pretty basic chords, you're probably already familiar, but a D chord is an open fourth string, first finger on your second fret on the third string, third finger on the second string on the third fret, and second finger on the second fret of the first string. And you just strum it. So intro goes. Alright, and that's the whole verse actually too. So when you play that for the verse, you can do it either way, and it's very empty, like in the original one, like he just strums it. So, she's a good girl, she loves her mama, loves Jesus, in America too. And that's the way he plays it in the original. I usually put a little bit in, I usually go. So just down, down, up, just to give it a little bit something in between. So just down, down, up. But I do it very lightly to stay with that quietness in the beginning of the song. It's very, very quiet in the beginning. She's a good girl, she's crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and her boyfriend too. And then we put a little rhythm in it, so. So I just strum, stop on the D.